All right, guys, so today we're going to talk about turning your AKASO action camera into a dash camera. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, action camera videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. And yes, you're not seeing this wrong. It's not a green screen. That is snow behind me. It snowed in South Georgia. We have snow. Like, we have snow. Okay? Yeah. It's new to us. We don't understand how to work around it. We really don't know how to drive in it. None of that kind of stuff. But we have snow. Anyway, my name is Doug. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman, and we're going to talk about how to turn your AKASO action camera into a dash camera. All right, so I did a video showing my setup. Now, there was one setting that I don't use on my camera because I don't use it every single time I drive. So what I have here today is the AKASO EK7000 Pro. We have it turned on. You can see me. It's turned on. So we're going to go to settings. And hopefully my battery doesn't die, because that was one thing I did not check before I came out here. But you have what is called, if it'll focus, when you go to, let's back all the way out. So here is what you see on the AKASO EK7000 Pro. This is the steps. Now it's going to be a little bit different from camera to camera, but you're going to go into settings. So on this one, you hit the little wrench, you scroll up, you hit the little cog wheel, and then you scroll up and you see driving mode. Go to driving mode, turn that driving mode on. What that's going to do is it is going to allow you to hook this camera up via a charging cord to your cigarette lighter. Oh, hey. Are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. That cigarette lighter that only gets power when your vehicle is turned on, it's going to allow it to turn on every single time you crank your car up and shut off when you turn your car off. That is driving mode. That is what you can use if you want to use this for a dash camera. All right, so I don't use that because I don't use it. I don't turn on the camera every single time I drive. So if I'm just driving my kids to school, I may not turn it on. If I'm just running to the gas station, I may not turn the camera on. But if I'm going on a long trip or going somewhere out of my comfort zone, then yes, I'm turning it on. However, if you want to set it up for full-time use, when you crank your car up, this camera is going to turn on, and then all you have to do is hit record. That is driving mode in the AKASO cameras. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Do you have an AKASO camera? Are you looking at getting one? Let me know in the comments. I'll read them all. I will reply. I love to read comments. And yeah, there's that. So I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video, because you're going to watch the next video and you're going to watch some of the old videos because you already like this channel. Yeah, it is what it is. This will probably be the only video with snow in the background. I'm just going to say that. So if you're watching this video, comment down below. Do you get snow regularly? Did you get snow in 2025 like we did? I don't know when this video is going to go live. I'm sure by the time it goes live, we won't have any of this snow back here. But do you get snow other than 2025? Let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's all I got. So I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.